May I ask the sponsors to take the cord and the veil? Now we'll be able to witness the lighting of the candle. Now these two candles that they have symbolizes their own life. Now they are going to light their own candle. Now these two candles represent their own individual lives. Now we have one candle in the center. They're going to light this one candle in the center, symbolizing that the two are no longer two but one in the sight of God. Now, ang gagawin po ni Riley, papatayin niya yung kanyang kandila at ibibigay sa pamilya ni Alex. Tatanggapin naman po ng mga magulang, symbolizing na tinatanggap niya po si Riley. Bigay mo sa tabi. And also, Alex, yung kailangan patayin mo din. She's going to give her candle to the family of Riley. Now, those gestures tells us that the family are now welcoming their son-in-law and their daughter-in-law. Those signifies acceptance and blessing of both families. As Riley and Alex also will give an honor, a word of honor to their parents. We'll give them an opportunity to honor their parents by giving them thanks.
Hi, Ma. And I. So,
Yeah, yes. Sige. This is just a very short time.
thank you po sa pagpalaki niyo sa akin and sa mga kapatid din namin. Thank you for providing for us and taking care of us. And now we're having a family. So I'm still your son. I will help you when you need me. But yeah, this is it. Thank you.
Okay, see Alex.